Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about server scope DDL triggers in SQL Server. DDL triggers or event notifications can be created to fire in response to the following events when they occur anywhere in the server instance. So there are a lot of server scope DDL events are available. Here list out some of the events like create database, alter database, drop database, or create linked server login, create credential, create endpoint, create event session, create message, and grant server. Right? These are some of the DDL events here listed out. So let us take the simplest example with create database or drop database with the server scope DDL triggers. So going to create with the server scope DDL trigger server for database on all server. This is the syntax for create database and drop database. Here what are the statements to be executed? Here you want to maintain the log in the master table. Here based on this trigger executed within this scope, it's executed on the master database and it references all the tables from master database. So you have to create a server log. Identity and event type. And SQL command. And 10. So this table created in master database. Now going to insert that server log with the values of from event data dot separate so we just need to event type and SQL command. Event type and SQL command. Value event instance slash event type the data type of 255. Then SQL command. So just fetch the data from event data and store it to server log table. So see the trigger executed, trigger created. Now I'm going to create on database. This trigger listed on server objects, not in database oriented triggers. So server triggers. So this trigger available in the server objects, SQL Server Management Studio, and the server objects and the trigger folder. This is a trigger server for database. So not available in current database trigger. So create database test. So So now the test database created and the log stored in server log. So ID 1 and event type create database, and the SQL command is create database test, what we have mentioned, and event occurred on this time. So now going to drop this database. So the event are stored in server log. Drop database test this time. So this is a server log tables which was created in master database, because this is based on server level DDL triggers. So we can refer within the master database tables only. So by this way we can fire a event based on these DDL events. There are a lot of DDL events available for this server level DDL triggers. Just listed some of the events here. So these are the server level, server scoped DDL triggers. We can use it whenever we need. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.